Mercedes Isabella, Battalion Executive Officer, Criminology Intern, Macrogy Edictor, San Mariano Isabella, Battalion Adjutant, Criminology Intern, John M.G. Papa, Mercedes Isabella, Battalion S1, Criminology Intern, Franklin R. Bobby Jr., Kawayan City Isabella, Battalion S2, Criminology Intern, Rocky L. Eisen, San Mariano Isabella, Battalion S3, Criminology Intern, Joman Ibasada, Mercedes Isabella, Battalion S4, Criminology Intern, Cesar F. Berger, Burgos Alicia Isabella, Battalion S7, Criminology Intern, Ibrahim Sigubi, Mercedes Isabella, Classic Reporters is the band officer, Raymond Billion, San Mariano Isabella, trailing behind is the Alpha Company under the command of Alpha Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Jonathan C. Liber, Kawayan City Isabella, Company Executive Officer, Criminology Intern, Aaron H. B. Torres, San Mariano Isabella, Company Gibbon Barrier, Criminology Intern, Sunshine G. Cappuccino, Kawayan City Isabella, Alpha First Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Agenico Africano, San Mariano Isabella, Criminology Intern, Corpus Mark Clifford, Alicia Isabella. Trailing behind is the Bravo Company under the command of Bravo Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Mikhail Sawit, Kawayan City Isabella, Company Executive Officer, Criminology Intern, John Lloyd P. Bulan, San Mariano Isabella, Company Gibbon Barrier, Criminology Intern, Lailani J. Joyce Mendoza, Benito Salven Isabella, Bravo First Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Angel B. Manlana, Rain Mercedes Isabella, Bravo Second Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Kimberly Claire Gonzaga, Benito Salven Isabella. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the passing of the colors. Color Officer, Criminology Intern, Joshua Jasriel Agapao, Kawayan City Isabella. Color Bearer, Criminology Intern, Mike Mantaguba, Kawayan City Isabella. School Banner Bearer, Criminology Intern, Mark John Karat, Kawayan City Isabella. Color Guards, Criminology Intern, Jaman Domingo, San Mariano Isabella. Criminology Intern, Dexter P. Pataway, Kawayan City Isabella. Please be seated. Trailing behind is the Charlie Company under the command of Charlie Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Rusty G. Tabadero, Kawayan City Isabella, Company Executive Officer, Criminology Intern, Calvin J. Castillo, Kawayan City Isabella, Company Gibbon Bearer, Criminology Intern, Arcego Vanessa, Kawayan City Isabella, Charlie First Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Swise Patrick James D. Rivera, San Mariano Isabella, Second Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Balmores RJ, Kawayan City Isabella. Trailing behind is the Delta Company under the command of Delta Company Commander, Criminology Intern, Michael A. Agustin, Vivian Isabella, Company Executive Officer, Criminology Intern, Melvin G. Molina, Kawayan City Isabella, Company Gibbon Barrier, Criminology Intern, Angel A. Agudro, Ilagan City Isabella, Delta First Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, Reverend John J. Peralta, San Guillermo Isabella, and last, Delta Second Platoon Leader, Criminology Intern, John Michael E. Tagaka, Kawayan City Isabella.
Ano sa
Kapadan eh.
Agkakakulay ka pa.
Pero may ubig ko kung pagmalasok eh.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Criminology Interns of Isabella Colleges Incorporated, Siklab Tiwang Class of 2027, Intern Pass and Review.
Halika na dito. Wala na sila.
At this point in time,